depressed when you look at old pictures and all the jeans that you used to fit into? I get it, and I've been there, and that's why you need to watch this video through to the end. I'm about to show you that you can achieve the weight you want without using extreme diets, counting calories, or spending tons of money on pre-packaged foods. By choosing the right foods and addressing underlying imbalances, you can have the weight you want, enjoy food, and significantly improve your long-term health.
I've learned so many things. Honestly, thank you so much for that.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and I'm gonna try to put that on mine and the family's everyday meals.
I think you're a really a good presenter.
Thank you.
It's like you really know your stuff, and and you're like enthusiastic, and it got me a little bit excited about maybe I'll cook some vegetable.
Yeah, this was very good. Very, very good.
Yeah, I love it, Stacy, and I would love a once a week catch up, like and drill down on some of the certain things.
Yes, this is kind of the most information that I have had so far, and kind of just some of the foods that are kind of triggers. And yeah, I think this is a really good start, and pretty informative. So thank you.
Awesome. You have to hurry because my nutrition workshop is happening this Sunday.